Hello everyone, today I show you how to activate BotMaster and I will also show you how to generate license of BotMaster from Reseller Panel. So let's move to our topic. This is the interface of my Reseller Panel. So if you want to download the software, click on this button. If you want to buy single license of BotMaster, please contact me on the detail you shown on your screen. Now let's add a new license. Click on this button, write down the name of your client here and his email and number, request key. Now it is a tricky point. Open the BotMaster app, ask your client to open the BotMaster app in his PC and copy that request key and send it to you. Once you open the BotMaster, you can see this small window in front of you. Copy that request key and open the Reseller Panel again. Paste that request key here and generate. The new license is generated. Select the country from where the client is, expiry date of the license. Click on add license and OK. Copy that new generated license and again back to the BotMaster app. Paste that license here and click on validate. Once you validate the license, your name, email, number as well as the expiry date appears here. Click on activate. You see it says your license is successfully activated. Now you can use all these features of BotMaster. If you want to buy single license of BotMaster, please contact me on the detail you shown on your screen.